So this is probably one of the craziest, hardest lives I've ever, or reels I've ever had to try to do. I want you to understand that I used to look like this, and like this, and live like this, and now I live like this. Stay with me. I look like this. I live like this from using these products. That's it. That's it. It's not rocket science, guys. I use supplements to change my life. It changed my body. I'm down 100 pounds. It changed my bank account. I'm up over $700,000. And on a regular, what was yesterday? Friday night, I called my security guard and was like, hey, I want to go stay in a different environment. And I was able to do that. And I'm not trying to impress you, but I'm just trying to impress upon you. There's life after that cubicle.